Yeah, greetings molweni sanibonani. Hey Tahola siyanibingelela niyamukeleka futhi la ku Durban Network. Siyazi ukuthi sekunesikhathi sigcine nokuba ne in-house conversation. Sibuyile ke namhlanje kanti ngifuna ukuvula ngamagama athi a mind that dwells on lack will always find scarcity even in abundance. Let me repeat that. A mind that dwells on lack will always find scarcity even in abundance. Umqondo ophila ngokuthi weswele uhlezi ubona kushoda noma ngabe sekukuningi. Ngani zakwethu siyanamukela ke namhlanje kolunye uhlelo lwingqayizivele lwayo ke iDurban Network. Usabelo ke Mfukandaba insizwa le phansi eMkhomazi kwaMgayi la ngibuya khona kanti ke namhlanje e-studio sivakashelwe ke umakade bona inkunzi malanga amadoda uNhlanhla brilliant umfoka khuzwayo somkhumbula ke sonke kuyijezi lamaZulu ijezi leKaizer Chiefs ijezi leOrlando Pirates ukusho ukuthi ke lensizwa kudala madoda igudle brilliant futhi siyakumukela le studio.
Ngithanda ukubingelela bonke ababukeli nami ngiyajabula ukuba se-studio
Mfowethu kuningi esizoxoxa namhlanje.
Hayi asixoxe.
Mfowethu mhlambe nje sizoqala lapha emumva kwi-upbringing yakho ubrilliant ukhule kanjani ngaphansi kwesandla sabazali abanjani?
Brilliant was born and bred at eMlazi ka-P section.
Yeah.
Uhlale ngesandla ngaphansi kwesandla sama wakhe uThokozile Elizabeth. Nobaba wakhe uElvis waNgubane wakaMashu. So kahle basically ubrilliant from kwaMashu unekhaya eMlazi unekhaya.
Yes.
Yeah, khule ngesandla sabo ngaphansi sagogo also. Endaweni ekholwayo ekhaya kakhulu.
Yeah. So ubuye esontweni?
Yeah, bengiye esontweni kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi uthola ukuthi ama game adlala ngeSunday kumele ngikhethe ukuthi ngesontweni no ngilandela iphupho lami ngalandela iphupho lami.
Tell us about your childhood. Ingane mhlambe obukhula nazo bekuhlobo lweingane ezifisa into efanayo neyakho noma mhlambe bokhula nezingane ezihlukile compared to your vision?
Mostly ingane ngikhule nazo ingane ezithanda ibhola. Abafana bathanda ibhola kakhulu.
Yeah.
So i-structure nje it was football. Ngaqala ukuthi ngize ngivimbe nje ngina 8 years ngibukela uBrian Baloyi.
Wow.
So i-structure sami it was more isonto, isikole, ibhola. Ekusiza kakhulu ke empilweni lezi zinto uma ihlanganisa zontathu.
Mhlawumbe asikhulume ngesikhathi ke songena esikoleni emabangeni aphansi. Ibhola vele into awuyidlala ngaleso sikhathi noma wahlangana nalo phambili?
All my life bengidlala ibhola. Ubrilliant uqale efunda kahle ugrade 1. Waze amabanga aphezulu waqedela eOgwini Comprehensive High School. Konke kusemlazi lokho. Konke le ndawo futhi ubedlala ibhola khona. Bedlala ibhola, icricket,
yes,
nebasketball.
Usha zonke. Lapho umunye umuntu uzobuza hence umenshina into ezu3 ukuthi why ugcine uwanebhola ekubeni kwama sports awu3 okade wa prioritize.
There was a time la khona engangifuna ukuqhubeka nebasketball kakhulu. Then umphakathi kuma ukwazi ukubona italent enganeni. Yekela bafika abanye coach beza kuma bezocela ukuthi sicela ame kancane ebasketball aqhubeke ngebhola phela silikhona isasasa ebholeni. Ngase ngiyaqhubeka ngakwazi ukubalance also ngidlala ibasketball sometimes ngidlala icricket ngiphuma nje kwi squad se KZN se cricket when I was young.
Wow.
Yeah, so I pursued ibhola much more than these two other sports.
Uma wakhe abazali nje bakho bona isupport yabo ake ngingathi nje isupport ifeeling yabo around wena ukuthi udlala ibhola babe supportive babe njani?
If uthatha umama most of the time uzokukhomba esikoleni. Kodwa ngenxa yokuthi umama baba support iKaizer. Every game edlala la eThekwini ubaba wengithatha njalo siye Kings Park ikisa Kings Park endala.
Yeah.
Sadlala uManning Rangers. Ubaba ngithathe sihambe sobuka ibhola. That's when I fell in love no stadium ngibuka uBrian Baloyi at that time. Ma was not much more ukuthi angibone ngidlala. Wayezwa ngabantu ukuthi uyadlala umfana wakhe. However, she was very supportive. I'm fortunate enough ukuthi yonke into ebengenza ekhaya there was full support upon it. There was full support upon it. Iyasiza ke leyo nto enganeni ukuthi maybe kwazi ukuthi abazali bakusupport uyaqhuquzeleka nawo. So noma bengafuna ukuthenga amakhokho ngesinye isikhathi uma bemforce ukuthi uthengele ingane amakhokho because uyayazi uthanda ibhola. I'm grateful for that also ukuthi ngibe nobaba who is a very football fanatic. Umana a very football fanatic bekusupport iKaizer Chiefs. Uzayina ngisupport iKaizer.
Oh yeah. Bahlaza basho bethi ubona iChiefs nama support angaka abantu babekhonjwa besase bancane uthini la uthini la.
Hayi angazi ke I fell in love with iKaizer ngayibona ukuthi nami ngifanele ukusupport iKaizer.
Okay mfowethu. Iqhubeka ke iminyaka kuloko ukhula ebholini. Mhlambe kunini la kwaqala khona ubone ngathi mhlambe iyona into ofuna ngempela wena ke sekuwukuthi uzidecidela wena outside abantu mhlambe awutho bane influence kuwena njenga nobhuti abadala kwi-community. Kunini wena la wazibona khona ukuthi no ngelinye ilanga ufisa ngempela ukuphumelela ebholeni?
Mhlambe I was 11 years old. I was 11 years old. You know muyintwana.
Yeah.
Uthola support from abantu bethi ungavimbi under udlala under 11 ungavimbi under 11 vimbela under 17 una 11 years vimbela laba bonke abadala and uyabizwa ngapha lo coach uyakufuna it gives you certain confidence ngumuntu mina othanda ukupush limits njalo break limits lokho ceiling enyuse at an early age. So ngabona dazini I'm very talented in this. Let me train harder. Engaqhubeka.
So uqhubeka ngithi usesikoleni ngaleso sikhathi. Mhlawumbe omunye umuntu uzobuza ukuthi kuyenzeka kwesinye isikhathi mawuthola ukuthi ufocus ebholeni uthola ukuthi sekuyaleka ngala esikoleni awusenzi kahle. So were you able to balance the two?
I was able to balance the two actually. And also esikoleni there was football. So uyabona ukuthi ezinye izinto umukhula esiza ingane ukuthi esikoleni uyadlala ibhola. Muphuma uyejimini futhi. Awusithola isikhathi sokwenza izinto ezibhedayo. Awusithola isikhathi sokuhlala nabangani abenza izinto ezwrong. So isikhathi sakho si football orientated. Musuke lapho ubuyele ekhaya wenza homework, muvuka ekseni uyesikoleni. Yonke nge weekend kuyadlala ngomgqibelo kuyadlala ngesonto. If kudlala ngomgqibelo uyabona ukuthi ngesonto usamele esontweni maybe ngesinye isikhathi. So ubusy zonke lesi sikhathi. But I was able to balance isikole and also football.
How well you were performing at school la encwadi?
I was very brilliant. I was actually very brilliant. Most of the time I was getting to top 5. Top 5 all the time. Top 5. Yeah, I didn't see myself below top 5. I was always up there. Amanye ama-grades ngi-prefect esikoleni. I was never caught also in the wrongdoings esikoleni. I was never late. Eogwini nje esikoleni sami khona i-office kwakuthiwa i-B1 la principal. Never in my life ever actually went to that office. It's football, you know, it's sports orientated as a school. And one thing I loved about it, even the principal, Mr. Dlamini, Dr. Dlamini, he loved the sports on itself. Why Kichima? I remember nje ngixoxela ukuthi he used to play for a reserve side, the Kaizer Chiefs. He was intelligent, Dr. Dlamini, very intelligent. Now when umuyingane esikole ebihlakaniphile ehloniphayo bayakwazi ukubiza esikoleni sicela uzosdisciplinele lezi ngane, but uma ukade wona rebellious esikoleni abakubiza esikoleni bakwelcome njengale ngane. So I'm one of the few people abakwazi ukuthi esikoleni la engangifunda khona bangibiza bathi can you discipline utshela ingane ukuthi how is it like to be disciplined uphumelele.
Mount we prefect kumina kufike ngathi wilezi ezazibona isicathulo sathi
I wasn't actually khona I'm a bit clumsy. Angiko too clean. Yabo uthola ukuthi uthayi wami uthutshekile. Yabona ukuthi isicathulo bese I was that child. I was that child ukuthi inganja. Manje yabo laba babhonayo phela laba babhona kakhulu. Babe ngahlaniphile.
Okay. Njengoba uveza ukuthi esikoleni you were kind of brilliant. Wow, performa kahle. Mhlawumbe was it the time wacabanga i-career ethize mhlawumbe ukuthi ngifuna ukuba uthisha or anything related to ukuphasa kahle mhlawumbe ukuthi I wanna be a scientist, I wanna be whatsoever kanjani?
Most of the time when we used to speak we always spoke about me being udokotela. That is one thing engenza ngaze ngafunda science.
Yeah.
But I changed when I grade 12, got grade 10 because Ogwini there's technical subjects.
Yeah.
For instance, the technical drawing, koni arty. Funny enough, I couldn't be funding this German.
Huh?
But I didn't do it. No. So I always strive myself when ngifuna ukuba udokotela.
Yeah.
But ngathathwa ibhola kakhulu.
So wagcina akwazanga ukuqhubeka nezifundo.
Yeah.
So kufika nini la manje uqhubekela ezigabeni ezingcono zebhola mhlambe usuya kuma tournament athiza serious kwi-tractate ethize i-tractate njengano SAB kanjalo.
I started playing for SAB when I was 15. 15 I remember. Kuna 14 ngaya kwenye indawo esemakhaya kuthiwa Sophepheni. At 14 years ngidlalela open lapha. Ngidlala istakes ngo December kuba nenkungu ground. That is when I started to see ukuthi umuntu ukhona ebholeni. So at a very tender age, I always wanted ukuthi ngibreak ama limit. Abona nokuthi intwana encane so khahlela lokungena nebhola epaleni but bengakwazi ukukora. So ukulazi ibhola laselokishini ukwazi ibhola le development ukwazi ibhola lasemakhaya totally different environment la ungasho 3 ibhola le development ibhola laselokishini ibhola lasemakhaya imagine uyiplayer ke elikwazi ukubalance all 3 at the same time. So at a very young age basebebona ukuthi hayi lo uyahamba.
So kwakunjani ukudlala emakhaya? They are very physical lapha emakhaya.
Very physical. Very physically. Dlalela ukuthi lapha kumele ukore. Yeah, kumele ukore because even ama fields akhona uthola ukuthi kunedindi alishayi kahle ibhola unlike ucarpet ozothola ku development or elokishini awukwazi ukudlala ibhola kumele uhlezi on toes. And but i-vibe on itself yakhona uthola nomama uyakikiza lapha uyangithola. Those are the things lezi sometimes so that's something that sometimes we miss in the football that we have at this moment of time. Because ukuthola insizwa zisuka ku round lo kade zikona ziphuma seziyagijima ziye groundini kuyakikiza umama umakhelwane yazi ukuthi team yakhona le ithenjiwe bapikile khona labantu futhi abanye ama player ngaphandle naselokishini uthola totally different thing. Development uthola totally different thing. But football is something else. It unites people.
Yes, no, that's true. So udluleke kuleso sigaba obvious from SAP manje so approach isigaba esilandela. Tell us about that journey.
I used to play for a team to Masters. Then sadlala ku LFA sasuka ku LFA sadlala kwama zonal sasuka kwama zonali sadlala ku Super League sibashaya abantu futhi
baqoba
sasibaqoba saya SAP na sasuka sabhaphathwa kwesarojwa ku SAP. But unfortunately khona team ebikhona ibidlala kulo ku Vodacom. It was Vodacom at that time seku ABC Motsepe man. This team ekuthiwa Umla Citizen ibishawa kakhulu yabona ukuthi if ithatha ama players ethu i-team yakhona izoba strong. Then we joined that team. I think I was 16 years old at that time. 16 or 17. Somewhere 16 or 17. Ngidlala ku ABC Motsepe, whereas Vodacom at that time.
Yes.
From there, I was 17. And then after that, I went to Joburg with development the Pirates. Stayed there for a year.
Yes.
Then came back to Durban Warriors, reserve side to Amazulu. From there to the first team of Amazulu.
Oh. Tell us, kweza kanjani ubani wakubona ezekuphushela ku Pirate?
There's a tournament eyayidlalwa eMlazi kuthiwa Cell C.
Yeah.
And the tournament had development players, abo Shoes Gumede, they were still playing for it, development Pirates. We had the Andile Kena, Papa, we had Sia. One of the top players that have played, Taban Chingila. We had it Ingane.
Yes.
As in twin, but then Coach Junior, what's it, boy, I'm very chosen. Then it happened like this. I wanted to go a Josie just to get the feeling, just to get the basics of goalkeeping. Because utoluti udlala nge-talent kuphela, but awunayo ama-basic, ama-technique. You need that as a goalkeeper, because most keepers manje benza ama-clumsy mistake because of the techniques, the basics of goalkeeping they don't have, but rely with talent kuphela. So at an early age I saw ukuthi I need these basic things to improve my goalkeeping.
So you're coming back from Orlando Pirates now to the reserve side of Amazulu, then shoot straight to the first team.
When I came back, ngabaleka kahle ku development Pirates, ngabaleka. I came back with my ID gone only. Ngimpahla ngangiyifakile. Because isikhathi ngangizohlala kuze ngifike ku PSL sasizoba side kunesikhathi engizothi mengibuyela la eThekwini ngizohlala kumaZulu ukuthi ngifike ku PSL.
Oh yeah.
People couldn't understand that why ubuyeleni Pirates. I knew ukuthi it wasn't going to happen the way that I wanted it to happen, because there was still Monique Joseph ithazongena uSenzo. Ngithola so mina basically mhlawumbe ngizofika ngina 23 nakulokhunyana ku PSL ku Pirate. Ngathi mina no, angihambe ngibuyele eThekwini. I had my ID only.
Well, did you have somebody who was advising you, or a decision was thathela wena nje?
Ngayithathela mina leyo decision. Ngafonela uma nobaba bangifakela imali. Ngathi mengiphuma neimpahla ngihamba ngibamba ama security. Angilalisa. Ngasi impahla zami mengigeza banginikeza into zokushintsha. Ekseni ngakusasa ngavuka bengathi siya ku breakfast. Ngisabuya. Abuya ne-ID kuphela. Yabona ukuthi ezinye izinto when you do them i-destiny iyakisa la okumele uye khona. And so omunye umuntu akayi-understand nona ngendlela ohamba ngayo leyo.
So uyafika manje ufika kwi-first team yamaZulu. How was it? Bakwamukela kanje?
Isikhathi ngidlalela i-Durban Warriors ku Vodacom angiyimisela.
Yes.
So I played few games kwase kuba ukuthi ngijima ekseni ngijima no first team. Ntambama ngijima ne reserve side. That time there was Kalelelo Kakonje. There was uKati Mzimela, which wangigruma kakhulu uKati futhi.
Yes.
So that season season ka Neil Tovi.
Yakhumbula impala.
So ngijima kanjalo no first team ngijima no reserve. Ngahamba futhi ekhaya ngathi sometimes kumele usuke kini uye kwenye indawo so that uzobona amanye ama opportunities. Umuntu wakini ngeke akusupport kakhulu njengomuntu wangaphandle.
Yes.
But also with that statement impumelelo engaphandle ayikho ekhaya. Most people abakwazi uunderstand leyo nto, ubabona abantu abaseduze ukuthi azangi-support na impumelelo engaphandle ayikho ekhaya.
Yes.
Umusuka uya ngaphandle ubuye ekhaya uzoqeda indlala. So ngase ke ngiyadlala ke kulokhunyana ku reserve ngidlale ngijime ngala ngidlale ngala. Then 2010 bese khona uManqoba Mnqithi gave me a first team contract. Grateful for that guy wanginike first team contract also.
So ukunika first team contract obvious ufica kunokhipha abakhona nakhona for the same reason mhlambe you decided to go away with Pirates ukuthi kunabantu vele bafica bekhona so khona yindlo awubone ngathi khona kuzobalula ukuthi ugcine mhlawumbe ulithola ijersey.
It kwangekho I didn't say ukuthi kwakuzoba lula but I saw better chances of me getting to the PSL early.
Yeah.
Ngalapha because into engiyele goal ngase ngitholile these basics ngase ngitholile so the time sisayina you know when abantu belibona italente lakho bazokutshela futhi I'm very confident a confidence yami backwa italente lami sometimes misele ejimini uyabona mfana uyalwa futhi uyavimba so it had that with me ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi I can do this so I got that first team contract. I think sadlala nani there was a game asidlala eMaritzburg. Imagine a 20-year-old izodlala eMaritzburg. That's when I got the contract. I remember sadlala where were we playing konje ngala yiblenda Lady Smith akukhona iVetsi amaZulu eMaritzburg bese ukuthi team yakhona lapha so ngizodlala ifinal mase siwinela amaZulu sizodlala ifinal
yes
sahlula ama penalty wasuka lokho unyana coach Manqoba even if we win or lose in this game but I want you to know you are the best, brilliant.
Kwaba nje kanje
azange siwin so he win and then we went to Joburg. I think kwakuzodlalwa i-Telkom Charity Cup.
Yes.
Then ekseni masifike eJoburg they gave me a first team contract. Excited nanti this is nanti kade ngiyilole yonke into. Immediately ngomgqibelo mase kuzodlalwa nePirates I think angangena ngo82. That's how much Manqoba Mnqosi believed in me. Angena ngo82 with Pirates FNB igcwele. It's amazing. It's totally amazing. I still remember when I was playing for development Pirates. Ngisuka eMayfair ngijoke ekseni ngijika ngase FNB Stadium. Isakhiwe FNB and telling myself ukuthi ngizodlala kulesa stadium. That's how much I believed in myself.
So nakuke manje usuku iFirst team ucoach ake ngibuze ngalento. Khona i-style khona indlela obehave ngayo grounding you were looking so aggressive mawubamba ibhola ubonakala ubamba nomlomo. Were you always like that mawukhula vele awunayo that kind of aggression?
No. Goalkeeper you have to develop a certain style but leso style mina ngisatha kubani uBrian Baloyi. If you remember Brian Baloyi beshayise vahlina ahambe ngeconfident so I like that style ngibukela kuyena leyo nto. So nami I had some tactics engathi ngiyawasebenzisa and they worked for me. I ngangimtshela umdlali wena yonkorela obviously player lizobasele ukuthi uthele ya goalkeeper kalikorela mase liza ngama emotion ezizoshaya yabona ukuthi alishaya ngilibambe ibhola ngikutshela ukuthi ngeke ngikorela yabo usumlimazile lo muntu mentally usadlala ngama emotion instead of adlala igame yakhe. So I had that style upon myself.
No ngiyasithola. Okay waqala ke wadlala wanama game kumaZulu kunini la ekwagcina kufika khona icontract yeChiefs?
I went to ngadlala kancane kumaZulu then got a loan to iThanda Royal Zulu which is Richards Bay right now.
Yeah.
So ngidlala under 23 sometimes ngiyeke bafana ngidlalela iThanda.
Yes, yeah.
So obviously I'm closer to uLokhunjana uPitso. Siyadlala under 23 na sometimes siyake bafana then iChiefs took an eye ngemva kwaloko athi mekudlalwa njalo ngiyaperforma kwadlala there was a friendly game that we played against Zambia, Ivory Coast. Imagine I was 21 at that time, which can't remember this country. So sadlala lawo ma game, then iChiefs ilokhu ibheka ihloko. Then they gave me a first team contract. But tell Neil Tove at that time, Neil Tove ungayi with Chiefs. Now imagine your whole entire life you support Kaizer, and the person who made you become a goalkeeper, who inspired you to become a goalkeeper, Brian Malo, and you get this chance to go play for this team that when you were 8 years old, you dreamed of actually playing for this team. But Neil Tove ungayi. I needed to make a decision of my own, because guess cutting na 8 years. That was my ultimate dream, to play for Kaizer Chiefs from number 16. So how can a coach tell me ukuthi ngingayi? Mina mengijoin iChiefs, iphupho lami laselifezekile.
Yes, yeah. But how was it? Ufika Chiefs mfethu. Yo, it's a big team. I mean, with a lot of crowd. Usuka kwi-team okade uthola ukuthi ayinayo crowd efana ne-Chiefs, you know. Konke la uhamba khona. Abantu bakhuluma ngawo le team le makuzodlala igame, you know, isuke i-trend, isuke ibhaza and stuff. How was the feeling?
You have to play certain mind games when you are confident. But because ngizothini angithi bese ngiuse vele ukudlala in a crowded place. Yes, when you go to Africa, you isgcwele stadium eAfrica, so it's normal kumina. But
hostile conditions.
Yes, but on itself, playing for Chiefs, it's something else. The culture, the village itself, it's different. It's totally different. For me as a child, if you know ukudlalela iKaizer, getting to the village was my ultimate dream.
Yes.
Now I needed to play with the best.
Yes.
To become the best, you need to actually compete with the best.
Yeah. True.
Nanti ke atmosphere ifikile. You need to push foot lapho.
Yes.
So your ceiling is kumele uye top kunale kade kuyona.
Yeah.
Push. Yeah, it was like that.
Abazali bona since kwakuyi team vele abayisupporter.
Very proud. Unfortunately, uma washona ngina 16. Which is why also I was wearing number 16 with Kaizer.
Jeez, boy.
Yeah. So it was nice. Imagine when you're used to somncane uya egroundini. Uhamba nobaba wakho uyobukela iKaizer. Now baba wakho useyafika eground usezobukela wena. Yes, sitrim ephumelela namhlanje kanjani.
He was a proud father by that
time. Very proud.
Udlaleke kwi-Chiefs. Kunama moments. There's obviously some moments mhlambe ongareflecta kuona owaba nawo while you were playing for Chiefs. And which are those moments?
Mostly people remember this game M10-8. I was very scared to play that game. But 3 months before mengisekhaya nge-pre-season, off-season, I told myself ukuthi I need to push more. It was through hard work and discipline for this past 3 months that made me get an opportunity to play that game. It's one of the memorable game that you would find in my career, because kwakuvimba uSenzo Meyo on the other side. Umfana waseMlazi. Now imagine umfana waseMlazi nabafana abawu2 baseMlazi no goalkeeper, nizodlalela eMoses Mabhida, nizodlalela ama team amakhulu, iKaizer nePirates. It would never. That will never. Young tall. That will never happen in our lifetime, which is totally history njalo. Yeah, I would put one of the memorable games that I would find upon myself. Pirates Tigers in Corel.
Really? Up until
I retired, until I joined them. Nama winner award of the Pirate.
That's what I know, bro. Computer wafika kwi-Chiefs uItumeleng ukhona, he was doing very well. Kwabanjani nje ukuthi kufanele uthole ijezi kule ndoda, and he's doing well kubafana, he's a regular goalkeeper and stuff, he's dominating. Uyena ukeeper by that time, I mean, who was on the lips of everybody. Kwakunjani mfethu wazi ukuthi ngempela ukuze ungene grounding ile ndoda obhekene nayo?
As I said, to be the best, you need to compete with the best.
True.
for me, I wanted to take it head on. Yeah, ndoda sengifikile.
Yeah.
Asiye ke sibone ukuthi ngeke ngihlule yini.
Yeah.
Imagine ke someone that is loved by the whole country uthi wena uzokhipha yena. What kind of challenge are you putting yourself in?
Very much.
Uyangithola ukuthi wonke umuntu truly believes in this person and bayabona akekho umuntu ongamkhipha. Here you are uthi wena hayi ngizokukhipha. And you are saying it in a way that ukuthi awusho ukuthi no I'm trying to learn. No uyasho ukuthi no I'm going for the number 1 jersey lapha. And you tell that person ukuthi ngizothatha lo number 1 jersey. And he gives you the challenge that you bring it on.
Jeez.
So uma you bring it on, he's not saying it in mhlambe in a bad way. Na uyayifuna le challenge and it helps ukuthi men uyithemba nomuntu eyithemba.
Yeah.
Uthi bring it on. Ebo healthy competition. Mubamba ibhola ka u5, uzofuna ukubamba ka u6.
Yes.
Umuntu bamba ka u6, umuntu bamba ka u6 wena uzobamba ka u7. Uyangithola ukuthi sometimes ejimini size sisale sobabili. Lo muntu niya improve nena without thinking niya improve. That is how competition yam nayo.
Don't you think at some point ukuthi even though mhlambe you reach that level wawuyifuna but ngokuthi umuntu owawukade unaye ngaleso sikhathi wafika wena vele esezakhela igama ukuthi mhlambe lokho kwablocka nesikhathi mhlambe kwakufanele ngabe unikezwa ngaso game time?
Not necessarily to be quite honest with you. Konke sibawufika khona inkunzi yakho kumele uyikhiphe leyo nkunzi yakho. It was destined ukuthi kwenze ngalendlela enjanga. Remember Nosenzo Meyer waited so many years to get the number 1 jersey at Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Being a goalkeeper, kudlala goalkeeper yedwa. Angeke uchop and change ama goalkeepers.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't see ukuthi that one of the reasons I actually joined the Pirates because ngabona ukuthi okay, manje I need to go somewhere engizo challenge more to exceed ngidlule le limits kade ngikuyona. And at that time that was my prime. So mina ukujoin iPirates kwami I understood ukuthi it was one of the reasons ukuthi Senzo akasekho which is why ngafaka unumber 1 ePirates. But also ngizoyithola le game time engiyifunayo. More than ngingayitholi khona ku Chiefs because there is khona inkunzi yakho. Uyangithola. It's only fair futhi ngenze njalo.
Mfethu ngizokusho nje lokho but kwakuba nezinkulumo sometimes ezizoqhamuka zithi hey yo kule game mhlambe ku 3 games esisuka kona kusho ama fans of Chiefs not me mina ngisupport NC athi ama fans iSundowns
hayi team encane
57 fans athi ama fans of Chiefs mhlambe 3 games osuke kade udlalile athi uIdu he didn't perform well, you know. Sifila ngathi uBrilliant could be given a chance, for which that was not the case. Utho ukuthi bazoqhubeka badlalise uIdu, you know. So angazi noma mhlawumbe wawuke kwesinye isikhathi ukubuke yini ngaleyo ndlela. Ngizwile impendulo yakho oqale ngayo but I'm saying something. I'm giving out a perspective that we're coming direct from the fans.
Obviously it would happen like that. So yabona ukuthi impact yam ngesikhathi mengithola ichance bengenza sure ukuthi ngiyaperforma so that he's aware ukuthi if he sleeps ngiyalithatha ijezi. He was very much aware ukuthi la mengase ngithi ngaphethe lo mjidi uyalithatha ijezi. But because of ukuthi his defense favorite.
Yes.
Sometimes babuye babe lenient kwezinye izinto kuyena then and that's okay. Our players ngeke afane. And that's okay. You need to mentally to understand yourself in terms of that position. And believe in yourself also.
Yes.
Yeah.
So injury yakho sikhulume ngayo ngoba iyona yafike yakuvimba kuPirates ukuthi ukwazi ukuba ne-career ethanda ukuba indenyana. I-injury yayivele ikhona noma injury eyaqhamuka ngaleso sikhathi?
No. Hey, yabona injury mfethu. I always say ukuthi we plan but God decides.
Yes.
It didn't happen. It just didn't happen and yamisa pushing a career yam. All right, it didn't happen. To all the players abake bathi bathathe bayalimala na. Life doesn't end there. Life doesn't end there. You gotta keep pushing.
Yeah.
If you've made your name while you are still playing, you can still actually do so many things. Yeah, it's just it wasn't. Yeah, and that's okay also. You need acceptance ezinye izinto on yourself. Accept ukuthi okay, kwenzakalile, done. Because if you go back and dwell on it, you'll start or resent ezinye izinto enhlizweni singekho isidingo. Khululekisa inhliziyo.
Mhlambe do you still remember ukuthi kwenzakalani ngelanga owalimala ngathi
collided ngathi ngagijima ngathi ngicisha ibhola lathi kaphula iTaylor Dome. Yeah, that was it.
Jeez, bro.
I did 2 operations, still azangivume. Happened.
Yeah, no, that's life. Mfowethu khona imibuzo ofisa ukubuza brilliant. Mfowakuzwayo. Mhlawumbe ukubheka kakhulu masingaqhathanisa i-standard kakhulu uMaZulu, uChiefs, uPirates. Yiphi team yona wathola ukuthi it is more organized than the other?
The Chiefs, it's too organized. You feel it ukuthi amekuthiwa faka namasokisi amhlophe nonke ngizofaka amasokisi amhlophe nonke. Amekuthiwa faka niliteki nonke kumele nenze njalo. Angeke ukuthi lo munye usefaka iteke leblue lo munye ufaka iteke elinjani. There are certain things as in you know when you're a Chiefs player, you could see a Chiefs player. It's quite different. It's different even on an interview, even how I'm sitting. If uzothi mina mhleli ne player lenye team, ngabe mhlawumbe uhleli kanje. Yangithola it's different. Uyabona ukuthi i-posture,
yes, yeah,
izinto ofundiswa zona lezo kwi-Chiefs, how to speak on an interview. Do not just answer nje quickly. Think about your answer and how you actually say it without actually uzukhiphe izinto wrong, because ama-journalists ngesinye isikhathi ayakutesta into so that izothola le narrative yabo kuyongena. You need to be intelligent. Bakufundisa zonke lawo ma-workshop kwi-Chiefs. It's just different. But also Pirates is very, very organized. But akufani. Ngeke kufane na kwi-Chiefs. AmaZulu also are very organized. This is we're talking about the team enkulu KZN AmaZulu. Big team. So ahle mina ndlela amateam amakhulu yabona.
Yeah, mfowethu I know ukuthi sisazongena mhlawumbe kule tournament oyenza iBrilliant Cup. But nje ake usixoxele mhlawumbe ngediscipline ekhona lapha emathimini ngalento kakhulu ehambelana nabadlali abafike bagroupe babuye futhi sebeyodlala eteamini. Siyabona kunabadlali abagcine sebexoshwe emathimini ngenxa yebehavior. Mhlawumbe leyo nto ungathini ngayo based on ukuthi udlalela amathimi amakhulu kwi-PSL ukuthi ibehavior ibaluleke kangakanani umdlali ukuthi angagcine ezithole kulezo njalo.
Wait, people are gonna talk. People are gonna talk each and every time. As a player, akekho umuntu ongathi afuna ukubushaya ngasinye isikhathi yangithola. But umsebenzi uyahlonishwa. That was asithi ugogo wangitshela umsebenzi uyahlonishwa. I've never been in a disciplinary hearing mina kuthiwa kade ngimisbehavile, I was late at training or ngifike ejimini ngidakiwe. There was never that. But bengiphuza.
Yeah.
Yabona i-difference ikuphi. Abanye abantu abakwazi ukuyibalansisa leyo nto. Uzulahlekele umsebenzi because udakwe imali yomsebenzi. Kahle udakwe imali yomsebenzi. So they need to be aware of that. They need to be very aware of that.
Sisakhuluma ngayo i-discipline. Mhlawumbe masingabuka lapha ezigabeni ezisakhula kanje abadlali abafuna ukufika kulesigaba se professional. Izini abangazibheka mhlawumbe ekutheni zibasize ekutheni bagcine befinyelele la kulesigaba.
Just follow your intuition, believe in yourself, be disciplined. Do what you can, God to decide the rest.
Simple as that.
Simple.
Okay, sibuyele kwi-career yakho brilliant. Uma ubuka emuva, zikhona mhlawumbe izinto ezithize ukuthi lokhu kuthiwe ngakwenza ngenye indlela.
No, there's nothing, absolutely nothing. There's absolutely nothing. Engathi if ngakwenza differently. I always believe ukuthi intuition yakho will drive you to your destination. And everything that you do isuke kudalelwe ukuthi yenze kanjani. I don't regret anything upon my life, yes. It happened the way it happened, and ubrilliant uyilento ayona because of everything asuke yenze ngaleyo ndlela.
Ngaleso sikhathi. Mhlawumbe sesibuka i-game yini ofile ukuthi mhlawumbe isishintshile egaming compared to isikhathi wawudlala ngaso nesikhathi ekuyisona manje.
There's really nothing that has changed. There's really nothing that has changed. It's a fun. It's a fun and a game. I don't see anything. I don't see any difference. Even the speed, it's similar. I don't see anything ehlukile.
Mhlawumbe makukhulunywa nge-VAR ithini view yakho?
But i-VAR ayikho South Africa.
Yeah, siyayifuna siyakhuluma ngayo.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Idingeka. It only makes it fair. Kungabe nama mistake here groundini because awucabanga urefa group kanti bikhona iVAR ushintshe. So it's improving game ngasonke isikhathi. And we are grateful ukuthi siyayibona overseas. Nase Africa siyangena in terms of CAF Champions League.
Mhlawumbe ngilenda ke sikhuluma usathinta leyo nto. Buka abadlali bala eSouth Africa bebancane abahamba baye kodlala overseas. Sikhumbula ngale squad esawina ngo1996 sesavele nje kwahamba mhlawumbe almost 80% weteam wayapheshe yini lo ibukile kangaka ma-team ase-South Africa ukuthi akwazi uku-export abadlali to Europe.
Silezantsi south of Africa. But also there is so many political things that you would find. Yabona manje njoba upresident wethu ku Patrice Motsepe wase CAF. Do you see South Africa njengamanje iphuma kwama semi-final? South Africa usuthola Sundowns Club World Cup. Yabo si influence ezinye izinto. It's not because of anything but leadership ekhona ephethe Africa. But also we've got some players who are very short in South Africa. The players that you spoke about in 96, you had height. So in Europe you need the height much more. So I think on my own Sanjay. Yeah.
Messi is very short.
Not quite. Bamkhulisa kodwa nje. What you Messi cooling? Imagine short.
Yeah, mhlambe do you think ukuthi iphutha likaba lelo because I'm a player, I'm short, I'm good ngeskill, then now ngingadeserve ukuthola i-opportunity. Mhlambe do you think i-model that has been used by or coach laba bama-academy kumele ishintshe ukuze siyithole sesi-expose more players mhlambe bathola abadlali abane-height?
Angazi. Angifuna ukuphendula into engayazi because naleli player lishort liyafuna ukuphumelela ebholeni. Naleli lede liyafuna ukuphumelela ebholeni. It's up to individual coaches to decide which player does it suit the team yakhe. But I've never seen a team winning the PSL ngama players are short. Tell me one team.
Because I even remember the Chiefs. Mashamaite.
Our era. Yes. You had tall guys. You had tall guys. You had the Abo Morgan Gold. You had Abo Tsepo Masilela. Every player was tall unless you nama wingers. But now they were not quite short so Mandla Masang. So you had tall guys and you had the players that are competing for Bafana Bafana. How many players would find at Kaizer Chiefs who are competing for Bafana Bafana right now? Story for another day.
Well, it was another, developing question. Ekutheni mhlawumbe njenganomuntu abanye abaconsider as a Kaizer Chief legend. So mhlawumbe ngokubuka kwakho mfethu, yini ngempela inkinga lapha eNigeria?
I don't know. kade siwini ilokhu njani Nedbank nje kodwa
After discussing.
manje uthi iPirates igcine mthatha league. It's been 13 years. Who's speaking about that?
Yeah, but baqoqa la indebeni.
I-league ibegcine nini?
Yeah, it's 13 years.
13 years. So why iHandy bear with Kaizer much more than
It because iPirates khona ekuwina.
Because niyazi team enkulu yini.
According to you, how do you measure ukuthi this is a big team, this is a small team? Because when you speak of league yala, league side nearly won for the past 8 years. So
Because Sundowns is a financial muscle. And iSundowns iyakwazi ukuthatha iplayer ngeke lisebenzise ilibeke because ifuna ukuthi let's say Chiefs or Pirates bangakwazi ukuthi bathole le access. So it's more about destroy and conquer. Uyangithola? Ivar le ngisho. iSundowns izosayinisa iplayer ilinikeze a certain prize money ingeke lisebenzise just ukuthi avoid ukuthi lelo player lihambe lodlalela le enye team. So umudlalela ama team iplayer bazolidayisa ngo 10 million because uthengwa iChiefs. But mase lidayisela ima respect lo dayisela ngo 500,000. So uyabona ukuthi kuliwa in success ye case. Lento it comes back to life in general because abantu bethe mabethi udlalela iChiefs they think that unemali. So even uzothenga isite ubuzothela ngo 10,000 bazokudayisela ngo 50,000. So uyabona ukuthi ezinye izinto bathi avele ngoba iChiefs.
So do you think wena brilliant lokho kuyenza ukuthi Chiefs abadlali abanye igcina ingakwazi ukubasayina asibuke nje njenganabadlali currently abanjenga no Ozun Apolis Osipho Mbule bebelinkwa kakhulu kwiKaizer more than iPirates but sesibabona bejoin iPirates mhlawumbe ucabanga kuleyo politics
ngeke iphele leya politics it's still gonna happen. The team enama trophies amaningi eSouth Africa is Kaizer Chiefs. Sibalinde abanye abantu for 10 years bengakwazi ukusicover. Nanamanje abakaze basicover. The biggest team in South Africa is Kaizer Chiefs. If iKaizer idlala Cape Town, itourism wase Cape Town iwine Cape Town iyadayisa kakhulu, amahotela ase Cape Town ayagcwala kakhulu. If iKaizer izodlala la eThekwini kuzogcwala. So thatha ke the other team kuyenzeka the same way. Angifuna ukubala igama laleyo team. Ushilo uthi supporter.
Khona journalist brilliant yake yarisa into ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs yes inama trophies amaningi but somewhere somehow amaningi bawathatha ngesikhathi ibhola la lingakabi nale strength elinaso sesikhuluma in terms of professionality technicality.
So kwakumele kwenziwe njani ingawathathi? Kwakumele ingawathathi? Kumele wathathi.
Bathi ayiwathathi manje.
Hayi, uzoyithola excuse bazoyithola excuse abazoyisho. Bazoyithola excuse abazo. Uyithonga bakadlalo esinsolengo. Dr Khumalo. Botende Ishele, Neil Tovi.
Yeah.
So noma uthi shoot iSouth Africa nje bathatha iAfcon shoot kwangeka professional. Kwangeka labanye bangawathatha nama cup lapha.
So yeah. League Cup. Yeah, okay. Unendebe yakho. Also iqalile initiative, a very good initiative oyiqalile for intwana ezisakhula who would probably wish to be at your level. Mhlawumbe awusathu sibeke ngeBrilliant Cup.
Brilliant Cup is a cup ezobedlala eKhatomena under 20. One of the reason why I chose under 20 is because I joined the PSL when I was 20 years old. So it makes sense for my vision to have a development much more than having an open. It's going to be 32 teams.
Yes.
That's going to be participating. It's going to be group stages. I'm a scout from all over KZN. Bazobe khona to get to see talent because our job is to expose ingane to lama team amakhulu because na access lawo ma team, and that is all because nathi sanika umuntu opportunity nabo kumele banike umuntu opportunity.
Ikuphi nendawo?
Ise Khatomena ngase Mayville.
Oh, eKhathomela.
Yes. There are many grounds lapha, so kumele badlale endaweni yama-ground awu-4 ama-ground.
Yes.
So uzokwazi ukuthi kube nama game awu 3 a group. So it makes it much more than uthi udlale ushamusha ukhumulijes. We want kids to keep playing and playing and playing.
Obviously they okay why host that before, right?
Yes. I've started hosting it in 2017 while I was still playing. All these years ngiqhubeka nayo. But the vision is intact ngalendlela engifuna ngayo.
Sasa lingakana.
It's big because njengamanje la eThekwini they're going to take it to select a squad sama Salga games kuyona, and I'm very grateful for the province of KZN, also eThekwini municipality for being part of Ilokhunjana Brilliant Cup. Because without any support I cannot do it by myself. So I'm very grateful ukuthi the government and private sectors abake bayijoyine Ilokhunjana Brilliant Cup ababe part of yona, ukuthi bakwazi kube part of yona and help us ukuthi si achieve lama dreams esifuna ukuachieve ngengane.
Ngoba any question bekuzobe ukuthi mhlawumbe since uyiqalile bakhona yini abadlali eseke yaba producer?
We look nje mfethu, one of the players esike yaba producer, there was a boy wasemlazi kuthiwa uNtiyantiya ngamisa kwiChiefs. Ukuthi anginayo ilist, nginabadlali aba one of the people I work with unayo ilist ama players aphuma kuyona iBrilliant Cup. But one of the major players they saying that I took him to Chiefs uNtiyantiya.
Ngikuzwile ukukhuluma ngokuthi khona isupport oyitholayo kumasipala weTheku, right?
Yes.
Mhlawumbe ngokubuka kwakho vele masingayibuka politically, ngiyaxolisa ukuya kulelo side. Do you think ukuthi basilula ngokwenele isandla ukudevelopa ikusasa labadlali abasakhula?
It's up to us also to put a hand in terms of our programs to help. But look, the city on itself, they are not looking to give you exposure. The idea yabo, vision yabo is to keep the children busy, to keep them healthy. So a healthy mind is in a healthy body. So dream yakho wena ne vision yakho, if it's intact, nokuthi ingane iyadlala, iba healthy, iba busy, to stay away from substance abuse, alcohol, GPV, but also when yakho vision ifakani ifaka ukuthi exposure. So city or DSEC, KwaZulu-Natal Sport Arts and Culture, if they see it ukuthi it tick ama box la abadingayo, they really do come on board.
But to be honest, like kuney'nkulumo ezihlezi zibuya from different people abathi sifake iproposal asizakali sihlezi siyifaka minyaka yonke senza ukuthi akwenzeki lutho. Like, what's your take on that?
Abantu bazohlezi bekhala. Angeke kusizakale wonke umuntu. But I also think it's kuyadinga ukuthi abantu bafundiseke when writing proposals, and also ukuthika ama box ku municipality. Uzokunikeza ama services municipality, uzokunikeza ama services, ngeke ukunika imali. Ngeke ukunika imali, but in exchange lawo ma services uzokunika wona kusuke kuyimali. Uyangithola? So umuntu ukunikeza catering, ukunikeza catering for whatever fee, wena uzofuna imali and uzoyibhala phandle lento ngicabanga ukuthi ugovernment imali ehlezi ilahlwe phansi nje. And people actually think like that ukuthi hayi imali ilahlekile lapha siyithatha kanjani. There is certain protocols. I swear uthola ukuthi ngike ngibuka ama proposal abantu, ngike ngibuka ngithi lo muntu lo ufune eThekwini municipality ufune 1.5 million. Ngithi bethu yini lo ibhale la? Athi ngifaka ukuthi eda kumele ngiqale phansi ngithi mfethu ngeke ngene lokho kuyena engqondweni yabo ukuthi lo 1.5 ngizowuthola. angithola i-project yabona ukuthi le project kahle kahle kusuke sengayona nje le project kusuke senza imali so yabona ke i-vision isiphumile lapho ukuthi omunye umuntu ucabanga ngemali instead of doing something azuthi izoba khona ukumonetize izoba khona indlela you need to find a way to monetize but also ungathi wena uyathenga municipality omunye uzoya ka housing enze i-project ye-sport ufaka i-proposal ka housing ngoba umalume wakhe umalume wakhe uzwana no project manager aka housing umethela lo hayi mntana nami letha la i-proposal yakho ngizokuzisela la yabona ithi yaka sports yaka housing okay ziyaphambana uthothi ayizange ifike nokufika lapha ithathu yabeka leceleni so abantu kumele bazi iminyango la khona kumele banqonqoze khona
mhlawumbe ungasilistela ama-sponsor who are partaking in your next tournament.
We've got KwaZulu-Natal Sport Arts and Culture, which is our main sponsor. We've got Hollywood Bets. We've got eThekwini Municipality. We've got Score. We've got Akwele.
Energy drink.
Yes, we've got Akwele. We've got Devon Network.
Pues khona umbuzo ofisa ukubuza uBrilliant before sivala. Yeah, mfowethu Brilliant mhlambe sibheka kuyona i-tournament. Umfowethu ke wakubuza outline ukuthi tournament it has been there now washo ukuthi from 2017 ukubheka nje kakhulu i-development yebhola ngokwase-KZN since nawe upartaker kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi more of nina ama-legends ukuthi nibhekelele kakhulu indaba yokwenza ama-tournament sike sabona khona osiyabonga Sangweni no-Derek Spencer nabanawo iKhaba Cup kanjalo kodwa wena njengoba ushilo wabheka kakhulu iminyaka esasiphansi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi nama-legends ase-KZN ukuthi nenza ama-tournament anjengana lapho?
I mean, there's a development side, but also there's the economical side of Lendo. Not everyone would become a coach. Muzazi brand. You need to create izinto zokwazi umonetize ngazo. But ungafani nothi nje ushaya i-steak sembuzi la. So kumele uwazi ukuthi after football khona izinto kumele uzenze just like ukwenza ama events that will make you a living. Ivarde ngikutshela yona nje. So uma development unama events owenza unama programs they would give you money ukuthi uqhubeke uphile then ukuthi ufuna ukuba ucoach. So kubalekile while you are doing it understand the financial side ukuthi ingakwenza ukuthi uphile.
Mhlambe i-support ingakanani amongst you guys as ama-legends ase-KZN ukuthi uBrilliant mehostile siyaya nathi esama-legends siyomsupport?
It's huge. Siyasupportana kuko konke mfethu. Remember ikhekhe elikhulu. Wonke umuntu unopiece wakhe kuleli ikhekhe. And akumelanga sincishane futhi upiece each and every piece. Everyone has a share on themselves kuleli ikhekhe leli. So i-support is very important for all of us and we are giving each other that support also.
Manje usekhona umakoti. Ngizokhuluma ngomunye nje. Usisodumela ukuthi hey ave nibambana kahle. Ngiyona kwenye podcast. Hey, namushi igama kodwa iqiniso lalo.
Hey angazi. Asiye.
We've seen like abadlali abaningi sikhulume discipline saqeda ngayo but we've seen a lot of players othola ukuthi mhlambe badlalela lama team amakhulu like it can be Chiefs, Pirates, even Sundowns sometimes. Uthola ukuthi badakwa ilento ekuthiwa ifame ba misbehavior ubathole endaweni ezwrong kanjalo yini ongayisho kubantu othoku banegama ngaleso sikhathi abantu whom you find that they are at the peak of their career leya khona emamall wonke umuntu ufuna ukushutha naye wonke umuntu wanna have a piece of him and stuff so ungathini kubona
yonke inesikhathi sayo inspire before you expire try to stay humble all the time stay humble all the time respect yourself all the time because if you respect yourself you are able to respect another person, you are able to respect umsebenzi wakho. Respect goes a long way. That is all I can say.
Hey, siyabonga mfowethu washaya lapha.
Washa.
Mfethu mhlawumbe sesivala nje ungafisa ukushiya mhlawumbe imininingwane ethize abantu bakwazi ukufinyelela kuwena abafisa mhlawumbe ukupartaker kwi Brilliant Cup ngokuhlukahlukana abafisa mhlawumbe ukuthi next time babe ingxenye futhi ye tournament yakho kanjalo bafika kanjani kuningi
abafollowishe i-page nje mfethu le Brilliant Cup on Facebook bafollowishe uBrilliant Khuzwayo on Twitter on Instagram on Facebook also that is all I could say for now and to everyone stay brilliant
sikubonile last week Dream Cup are you planning vele ukuthi uwahambele nje ama-cup asakhula
yes i-networking upon each other is very very important siyakhulisana ngazo sonke isikhathi I love ukubona abantu abasha ngizwe ingqondo yabo ukuthi ihamba kanjani so yes
okay siyabonga mfowethu yanko nganza kwethu besikhona siyi-Durban network abanye bayazi ukuthi sakazela khona la eMasgrave la sikhona siyabonga ukubona bonke abantu abasilandelayo ukubona bonke abantu aba-retweeta into zethu noma sekwaba yi-X abalapha ku-Facebook TikTok Instagram siyabonga nganza kwethu siyacela ukuthi niqhubeke nisubscribe lapha ku YouTube izoqhubeka ke iDurban Network inphakele izindaba ezimnandi indaba ezinohloze sesiyayivala ke nje mina igama usabele umfokandabase kanti uproducer wayo le show usiyabonga umfokamjwaha sithi ke nje thina sasihembe danko